Hello guys, welcome back. In this video let's do some lighting effect of Gobo using brightness and contrast tools. So we have this photograph which I have downloaded from pexels.com. So I will first create a copy of this layer. I just press Ctrl J and you have two layers. I'll keep one for safety, a backup. So I've got these two layers. Okay, so the first layer will have color correction, so I choose this brightness contrast tool and reduce the brightness of this image. Okay, I can also do some color corrections using curves, so just select the red channel and reduce that, so that makes this picture look more bluish. And then I'm reducing the green also, and that gives a sort of dark blue tone. The next thing is I've got this image. I'm going to color correct it with the same brightness and increase the brightness there. And also I will use curves for this. This time I'm going to reduce the blue channel and then make it look more warm. To make it look orangish, slightly reduce the green also, so that should be fine. So if you could see, this was my original photograph and I've made it dark, and then one layer is bright with warm tone, another layer is like cool tone. So I'm going to apply layer mask for this. Okay, select this layer, go to the layer menu, layer mask, and then choose hide all, which gives me the black masking for it. Now before going into this, here I have created a simple illustration or shape using the marquee tool, and then created a window like shape. So you can use brush method or any other method. So I'm using a normal image method. So I'm dropping this layer into my scene and then select that layer and then scale it. Okay, so I'm scaling that image. Maybe I can just position it to suit the requirement. Hit enter. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the pixels of this layer. For that, hold Ctrl and click on the thumbnail. So that selects the pixels and hide it. Now come here and select the layer mask. Make sure that you have white color in the foreground and press Alt backspace to fill it. Now you should be able to see that this photograph is getting some light from a window which is sort of warm color. And let's say if I inverse this, okay, press Ctrl I, I'm selecting the layer mask, press Ctrl I, then you get the shadow effect. Okay, so you can generally use more believable gobos and then get the effect of lighting. So what you got here is this, and let me put this on the top for you to see the difference in what have modified this image into. So this is a very useful trick when you want to modify your picture to an extreme level in terms of lighting is concerned.